Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Today, we're delving into the increasingly popular concept of merging nature with our living spaces, the indoor garden design for living area space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Indoor garden design for living area space. This integration isn't just a trend, it's a thoughtful approach to enhancing our well-being and creating truly unique and inviting homes. Let's begin by defining what we mean by an indoor garden with a living area. It's more than just placing a few potted plants in your living room. It's about intentionally designing a space where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur. This involves incorporating living greenery, from small herbs to large trees, as an integral part of the living space's design. This can be achieved through various means, such as dedicated plant zones, integrated planters, vertical gardens, or even a conservatory-style extension. The key is creating a seamless flow between the living area and the botanical elements, fostering a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. Now, let's consider the advantages of such a design. The benefits extend far beyond aesthetics. Firstly, indoor plants act as natural air purifiers, removing toxins and improving air quality. This creates a healthier and more comfortable living environment. Secondly, the presence of greenery has been proven to reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. In today's fast-paced world, having a tranquil oasis within your home is invaluable. Finally, an indoor garden can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your living space, adding depth, texture, and a unique focal point. It can also increase the value of your property. Creating a cozy atmosphere in your indoor garden living area requires careful consideration of several elements. Firstly, lighting is crucial. Natural light is ideal, but if it's limited, utilize grow lights to support plant growth and create a warm ambience. Consider layering lighting with ambient, task, and accent lighting to create depth and highlight specific features. Secondly, choose comfortable and durable furniture that complements the natural setting. Natural materials like wood, rattan, and stone work well. Thirdly, incorporate soft textures through rugs, cushions, and throws to add warmth and comfort. Finally, consider adding water features like small fountains or ponds to create a soothing soundscape. Selecting the right plants is essential for a thriving indoor garden. Consider factors like light levels, humidity, and maintenance requirements. Some excellent choices include: first, Monstera deliciosa, such as Swiss cheese plant. It is adaptable and visually striking. Second, fiddle leaf fig. It adds a touch of elegance with its large, textured leaves. Third, snake plant. It is low maintenance and excellent air purifier. Fourth, ZZ plant. It tolerates low light and drought conditions. Fifth, peace lily. It has beautiful blooms and air purifying qualities. Sixth, pothose. It is easy to propagate and comes in various colors. Seventh, air plants such as tillandsia. It is unique and require no soil. Eighth, ferns. It adds a lush, tropical feel. Ninth, orchids. It is elegant and long-lasting blooms. 10th, herbs such as mint, basil, rosemary. It is useful and fragrant additions. Now, to complete your inspiration and spark your imagination, let's explore the top 10 inspiring indoor garden living area ideas. 1. The Conservatory Oasis. A glass-enclosed space dedicated to plants, maximizing natural light. 2. The Vertical Garden Wall. A space-saving solution for smaller living areas, creating a green focal point. 3. The Integrated Planter. Built-in planters seamlessly integrated into the architectural design. 4. The Hanging Garden. Suspended planters add visual interest and create a sense of height. 5. The Zen Garden Retreat. Minimalist design with carefully selected plants and natural elements. 6. The Tropical Paradise. Lush foliage and vibrant colors create a vibrant and exotic atmosphere. 7. The Urban Jungle. A mix of various plant types and sizes, creating a dense and natural feel. 8. The Herb Garden Nook. A dedicated space for growing herbs, adding both beauty and functionality. 9. The Indoor Tree Feature. A large indoor tree becomes the centerpiece of the living space. 10. The Biophilic Design Living Room. Maximizes natural light, airflow, and integrates plants within the architecture. Creating an indoor garden living area is an investment in your well-being and the beauty of your home. By carefully considering the design, plant selection, and decor, you can create a truly unique and tranquil space that you'll enjoy for years to come. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own indoor garden oasis. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home design inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite indoor garden ideas. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.